And so far, David is outscoring Don Don sa kanilang matchup 8-2 in terms of points. Importante maging consistent si Don Don because he has been largely inconsistent sa ating semifinals. In fact, in the conference, he's averaging over 12 points a game. Dito sa ating semifinals, ang average niya less than 10 a game.
And Don Don Ontiveros, probably the best perimeter defender dito sa lineup ng Magnolia Beverage Masters. But Gary David is playing like a man possessed here in this series. In the meantime, ito yung extra free throw awarded to Mark Pingris. So third point para dito kay Mark Pingris. Cuts down the Air 21 lead to a single digit. Tapped out by Amal McCaskill. 14 seconds left in the shot clock of Air 21. Ito na ngayon si Doug Kramer giving Ranidel De Campo a breather. Arboleda against Cortez. They begin a screen ni Steven Thomas. Arboleda gives it to Thomas. Good extra pass for a wide open Arwin Santos. Too strong on that attempt. Rebound to McCaskill. Mike Cortez slows things down. Ildefonso matched up against Doug Kramer. Tries to spin baseline, nasa raduan. Ito ngayon, Ildefonso. Nakuha sa tiyaga.
Oh yes, they count the basket.
That was a tough shot, no? Talagang ayaw siya papasukin sa loob nito si Doug Kramer. Pagpihit niya, kasi ayaw mo dyan, dito na lang. Pwede rin naman. Kaya watch this again. Huwag, hindi pwede. Ayaw talaga sa loob. Ayaw ko sa loob. O sige, dito ako titira sa labas. Foul ka, pasok pa.
Ang ganda naman turnaround ni Daniel Ildefonso. May hawak pa nga sa uniform yun. Nakita natin, no?
Tama ba yung uniform niya? Ha? Baka mali yan, ha? Alam mo naman.
Mahirap na. It's the age of protest.
Oo nga. We started a fad.
Uy, nakakalamang na ngayon ang Magnolia.
Ito, makikita natin. Dominate the paint na kinito.
Well, it's the inside points, no? You see Magnolia having the advantage over the Express 14-6. And that should be a plus mark now, no? Because Magnolia is up by 2.
14 seconds ngayon sa shot clock ng Air 21 Express.
Oh, by the way, that's a plus mark for Magnolia, but X mark for Air 21.
Yes.
Air 21 factor pala yun. Kanya tama, it's an X mark for the Express.
Ito, si Gary David losing the ball pero meron pang 8 seconds sa shot clock dito ng Air 21. Marvin Cruz also in the ball game.
Alam mo, napupunta natin dito, no? Every time Air 21 goes to Thomas as their first option on offense, nawawala yung kanilang flow. See, he takes, well, pumasok naman yung tira niya, no? Pero Gary David is not in the rhythm of the flow ng opensa ng Air 21, especially kung nakay Thomas yung bola, no?
Tumitigil no? Tumitigil
hindi masyadong masigla ang kanilang galaw.
Here's Mark Pingris. Binigay pa sa loob dito kay Amal McCaskill.
Hindi pumasok.
In and out. He gets his own miss and this time he makes sure.
Iba na din ang 6'11", no? McCaskill is lording it over the boards. Thomas is probably about 6'7", 6'8". So he's got a major height advantage over Thomas. Thomas, however, has the advantage in bump.
That's right. Ito naman si Thomas. Too strong doon sa tirang yun. Here's Gary David. Pero may sumabit raw. Si Don Don Ontiveros. It's only the first foul on Don Don Ontiveros. But Gary David was trooped to the line. Scored 10 points. 10 of his 17 points in the fourth quarter. Game number 3. At ngayon, meron na siyang 8 points kaagad.
Well, the player from Bataan, I remember in a long conversation we had, binigit niya sa akin that when he came to Manila from Bataan, after having played high school ball, looking for a school, he really wasn't thinking of a basketball career. He was checking out schools around the Intramuros area at he picked Lyceum.
At random.
Kasi nadadaanan daw yun. Tapos naglaro siya sa Intramurals, he was discovered and look at where he is now.
Oo, grabe, no?
He was once an MVP in the PBL.
What a story itong kabuhay ni Gary David. Here's Arwin Santos. Inside pass to Doug Kramer. Nako.
Sayang yun because he was a no-looker. Pero hindi din nakatingin.
Yung papasahan.
si Doug Kramer. Good intention though by Marvin Cruz. But that's turnover against Air 21. Again, yung sinasabi natin about controlling the tempo, it's very clear Magnolia want to slow things down because alam nila very potent ang offense ng Air 21 when they're playing transition. And there's a turnover as well na kulang sa communication.
Yun na nga no? Sayang. They could have taken the last shot of the quarter.
Yeah.
But here ngayon, golden opportunity here for the Air 21 Express to get the lead. Here's Gary David from the corner. Tough shot. Almost went in. And this has been a very high-scoring first quarter, mga kaibigan. Both teams really determined to get this win here in game number 4 of their semifinal series. And it can't get any closer than this. We're tied at 26 after the end of the first quarter.